Did they do that last time?
What?
Cry like that?
Just throw.
Did they cry?
Yeah.
You know not to use this portion of the soap on them, right?
Yeah. I just put them in water and they clean themselves.
They just gotta calm down. They gotta get used to the water.
Everybody's trying to get up there. Everybody's on my hand.
There we go.
Look at them.
They're doing.
Oh, they're cleaning themselves.
It's cold.
Oh. Did the other two do that too?
Yeah.
When you put them in there, take that bucket up and give it to the goats and bring one of them ones from the goats down and put them there. Although I don't know if they can climb in and out.
Yeah, I'm not gonna give them something to swim in because I
You
don't
know,
want
because they
them
won't.
to drown.
They won't be able to get in and out. They aren't big enough yet. He's cleaning himself.
Get a drink too. Get a drink.
Will they do it too? Look at him. There he goes. There they go.
See, his feathers are starting to come in. His big feathers.
Yeah.
His big boy feathers. Again, that's another reason why he could be looking like that.
Yeah. They always go through the ugly duckling stage.
I hope it's not a female. I think it is.
Males are prettier.
Butter might be a buttercup.
And what kind are they?
Mallards and pecans.
Those, the yellow ones are the Pekings.
Yeah. They're shivering. It's cold.
You got a towel?
The one in here. Just wipe this off. Your face is nasty.
Try to get them out now.